Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are discussing about how to push code in GitHub. To push code in GitHub. So there are different ways we can push the code on GitHub. But we should have your code in locally. We need to push the code. We need to create GitHub account and creating repository. After that, you can push your code. Right? So this is my account. I'm opening my account and we should create new repo, right? I'm creating new repo name is exhaust call test, exhaust call data, exhaust call mapping. Okay, exhaust call mapping is my repo. Okay. Then I go, do not click here, add readme file, and directly we click on the public and then create your repository. You create your repository. Repository, we need to go your path, because here my application, right? Here my entire code, so I need to push the code one repository, right? I go here, cmd, then code dot. Once I type code dot, so my code directly rendering to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is window will be open. Once we open, entire code need to push, right? My component pages, all things. And here okay, and go to terminal, new terminal. Once you click on the new terminal, so here new terminal it will be open. Then here so many options. Here so many options, command prompt, PowerShell, something. Okay, so we go for the command prompt. Okay, then okay, command prompt. And then I'm typing, because see, once you create the repository, here is the option git init. So I'm typing same here, git init. Once you type git init, so that is a problem. Git init, there is the problem. Git init, we can copy this path and paste here, because exhaust library we should have git, right? So we need to delete entire this file. This is the main problem. Reinitialize, so it should be initialized. Okay, reinitialize means 2 times, right? So we need to first time, so reinitialize, and we need to delete this one, all entire file. Okay, we need to create exhaust library slash dot git slash, this is the paper. Okay, and shift delete. Okay, entire file will be deleted, right? Once you delete your file, reinitialize your file, then we need to type git init command. Git init command, once you type, the initialize empty repository and something we can add it, right? So you go for path, see, file will be rendering, right? Okay. Then after that, once you go here, then we need to type git add dot. Okay, this file will be rendering it, git add. Okay, then once you type this one, git add, then git commit, okay, hyphen m first commit. Okay, this command git commit hyphen m git first commit. Okay, first commit. Okay, also we need to check git ignore folder here, node module folder here, dependency I am added, so in node module it will be ignored, not, it will not push. Okay, so these are folder, it will not push. I am putting there. So after that, once I type here git commit, then git branch, git branch. I want to push git branch hyphen m master. Okay, git branch command hyphen m master. Then this is the repository, right? We need to add enter. Okay, then git push origin master, git push origin master. Okay, see, data 100% compressing the data, 100% compressing the data. So now I am going to my repository. This is a, and refreshing the repository. See, entire code will be reflect. Okay, see, entire code will be reflect. Click now. Okay, see, entire code will reflect. Okay, that is a how to push the data in GitHub. Okay, so we can resolve it and we can push easily your code in your branch. Here, master branch here, right? So there are actually only created the master branch, so we can create your branch. Only type here developer. Okay, new branch dev. Okay, branch source, this one, create branch. Okay, there are two branch, right? Now it will be two branch. Okay, dev, right? So we can also push the dev, right? Okay, so thank you watching this video. Please subscribe the video. Thank you.